Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am unboxing a diamond painting from a brand new company. So this package has come to me from Dainty Diamond Art and I am so happy to support them. This company is run by Cindy, who many of you will know from her own YouTube channel, which is Diamond Painting Fanatics. So let's get into this and see. I'm very cautious because I don't want to damage anything. That's where these ceramic blades come in incredibly handy. So we've now got this lovely sort of fairly sturdy paper wrapped parcel, again with the nice Dainty Diamond Art. This was delivered by courier to me from Hermes, who are now Every. I don't know how well this style of packaging would stand up to a different postal method. Obviously, because it was hand delivered, it was looked after a little better than had it been chucked in the back of a postal van or something. So, just something to think about. Okay, and another layer. This is like past the parcel, but it's lovely. So here we've got bubble wrap and also their details. So you can see it's daintydiamondart.co.uk, and then the same for Facebook, and then for Instagram, dainty_diamond_art. So do go and check out everything that they are offering. Another layer. Let's see what we reveal this time. Okay, so we've got thank you for shopping local and supporting a small family business, again with their details on the back. It says here that this is an order for Crafty Witch, which is really lovely, nice personal touch. Just gonna peel that off carefully. These, I'll come to that in a second. Okay, so the canvas that I chose was called Three's Company, and I'm just checking the size. I believe I ordered it in a 40 by 50 and it was 23.50, I think. Yes, right, and I ordered it in a round. So here we go. I'm just gonna move you out a bit so you can have a better look. Okay, we'll look at other stuff in a moment. So this is a soft felt backed canvas. We can see on here it says 50 by 40 and that it's got ABs. I've chosen it in round, and we can see there the silhouette of the cats with the trees, and then we've just got this lovely sort of aqua leafy skyscape behind them with the moon here in the middle. In terms of the canvas. It's incredibly soft and flexible. We've got poured glue, the symbols I'll bring you down. So we do have the guide circles, but they're very light. They're in sort of a pale grey colour, so I don't think they're going to be a problem. The canvas itself, the drill field is alphanumeric, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then A, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, and Y. And I would guess that it's these last ones that might be the ABs, because they've got an R listed next to the code. So we'll have a check of that in just a moment. We've got, I'll bring you back out. You can see we've got this side and this side. We've got the legend, we've got the details at the bottom. It's all looking very lovely. So I'm just going to flip this. So we've got a bit of a pale background, and we will look at the diamonds. So I've got these open as quick as possible. So we do get an inventory sheet, which is lovely. So, and it's really nice that it's personalised. So yeah, this is great. Tells me the weight, quantity, the DMC number, all of that. We also get hand created labels for our pots, which is really brilliant. So useful, and is going to save me a bunch of time. It means I won't have to, because I'll either have to write them myself otherwise, or chop up the inventory sheet and run that through the sticker maker. So the actual drills themselves, let's have a look. So they all come pre-bagged, which is lovely. That we've got these resealable baggies, so we don't have to worry so much about waste, or you could work straight out the bags if you wanted to. So obviously we've got a lot of different shades of these greens and aquas. I'm just going to have a little flick through them just so that you can see. I'm not going to, just until we find some ABs that I can show you. Certainly quality wise, these seem lovely. We've got 939 there. If we got 310, we might have a little bit of 310. Oh yeah, just 10 grams, but not an awful lot. I think I've probably got in this canvas almost every shade of green that you can get in the TMC, but that's lovely in itself. It's a brilliant addition to my spares if there's any left at the end of it. So right, we're getting down to the final few colours now. Right, so I have found 500, 503, 502. So let's have a little look and see what we've got in the ABs. So we've got 904 in an AB. That is gorgeous, really lovely. That is some serious Emerald City bling, that is. So we've got that one. We've got this lovely pale sort of sea foam colour, which is 775. Really lovely. We've got a pale grey with the AB coating. For anyone that doesn't know what AB is, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's supposed to give an impression like the Northern Lights. So these drills are the standard DMC colour, and then they've got this iridescent coating on which reflects the light and changes colour as the light hits it. Really, really pretty. So I cannot wait to get started on this. So lovely, really nice kit. Okay, let's look at the toolkit. One of the nice things is that there is the option to order without a toolkit. Many of us already have a lot, but as this was the first time that I was ordering, and because I knew I wanted to make a video, I thought I would order the full kit as if I had never ordered one before, and then I would see what you got. So we've got these lovely little voile bag, really cute. Just gonna move it out just a smidge. There we go. Really nice. We've got a sparkly pen single placer that also has a 3-placer, I think that's possibly a 9, or and then this one is I think a 6. So we've got some nice decent quality multi-placers there. We've also got a set of tweezers. They are pretty sharp and good quality. We've got a purple squishy, a double-sized plate of wax. It's much what's the word? It's not as clear as some of the other waxes that I've had. It's much more opaque, that's the word. I knew there was a word somewhere. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional spare baggies and a Mosfer style boat, but it's not a Mosfer boat. So it's got a nice big spout actually. Some of the boats have got a very narrow spout. This one is very good. And in addition to all of this, we also get this. Can I do this without ripping the sticker? I don't think I can. But so yeah, we also get cover sheets, which is a really lovely addition, and I've never received a painting that came with cover sheets before. So let's just see what you get. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 cover sheets. What an absolutely lovely painting and kit. I'm really impressed. So yeah, well done to you, Cindy. Awesome. Also worth mentioning, this is legally licensed artwork. The Threes company is by Laura Milner Iverson, who is from Oregon. So yeah, it's really nice to know that you're supporting the artists. You're not purchasing artwork that may unknowingly to you be stolen. It's quite a controversial issue in the diamond painting community and in the art community in general. It's an ongoing frustration. So finding a company that's producing good canvases and good artwork and at a pretty reasonable price, so £23.50 plus it was £3 for shipping, for a canvas of this size, I'm happy with that. There were a choice of sizes, obviously bigger the canvas, the bigger the price, and you could choose between square and round, so that's a really nice option to have. I think, you know, when I purchase another canvas from Dainty Diamond Art, I will probably purchase a square so that I can look at the quality of their squares as well. But for now, this is really lovely. I genuinely can't wait to get started. It may well be that it goes on my list for as soon as I finished my dragonflies and petals. So thank you to Cindy for sending this. Full disclosure, I did pay for it myself, but I contacted her and said, would she mind if I made a video? She said no, that was fine. She was quite happy for me to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this here. Of course, if you want to follow my progress with this canvas, you can do so over on Instagram at thecraftywitchuk. You can look me up on Facebook, where I have a page there with the same name. And of course, you can always subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.